supply chain instability, resource shortages, intensifying competition. It's a challenging and complex environment for manufacturers today. And it's this kind of complexity that's giving rise to the need for a new, more flexible approach, the digital factory. A digital factory connects the top floor to the shop floor, bringing together digital technologies to unite all functions of business into a seamless, agile, end-to-end process. It's transformative and offers greater transparency, improved operations, and lower costs. But it's not always easy to accomplish. Building a digital factory is complex and can be more than some IT teams want to take on. That's where Syntax comes in. Our digital factory as a service leverages the cloud to bring all of your technology systems and processes together, providing you with everything you need to take manufacturing operations to the next level without the need for a complex in-house IT infrastructure. It's also flexible and modular. You can customize according to your business needs and tailor as those needs evolve. So there's no need to buy hosting or ERP if you don't need to. Our implementation process is accelerated and cost-effective, getting you up and running quickly without the expense of a big IT team. And when you work with Syntax, the risks are reduced. Our manufacturing best practice templates, proprietary IP, and experience with cloud solutions enable us to implement new ERP and MES solutions with great expertise. There's no question the digital factory is redefining the industry. So why not redefine how you'll get there with us? Digital Factory as a Service by Syntax.